In today video, we will learn how to log into ACCA Practice Platform. So, I hope this video will be useful. So, stay tuned till end. So, first of all, we will go to the any web browser like I have been gone through the Google, and you need to type ACCA Practice Platform. Once you press the enter, the page like similar to mine will be opened, and what you need to do is uh, okay, so you need to go to the first one, past exam and question practice, and you need to scroll down to the below where you will find login into the practice platform. Once you will log into ACCA Practice Platform, they are, after clicking to those tab, they will be asked you to have your ACCA ID and password, have it and press on the login button. Once you will do that, the similar screen of mine will be open over your screen, and you will find on the right hand side there are lots of subject of ACCA, and it's depend for which paper you are appearing for. Suppose I am appearing for the audit advanced audit and assurance, so I will simply click over it. Or suppose I am appearing for the advanced financial management, I will click over it, and I have two options. One is the blank workspace and other is ACCA official resources. On the blank workspace, you will simply find the blank paper. There will be no question. Suppose you are practicing the question apart from those mentioned in the this practice platform, you can choose the blank workspace for to improve your typing speed or to be familiar with the screen. And other is the ACCA official resources, where you will again see the two options. One is the past exam library and other one is past exam valid from the September to onward. So in the practice exam, you will find the mocks that might be 4 or 5. It's 4, and 3 will be the practice, and one is the 2 will be the practice exam, and one is the specimen, and other is the pre-mock of December 2024. So this will be changing based on the for which session you are appearing for. And the past exam library is also similar, but this will have a question that has been asked in the those particular session, and you will also find the examiner report related to this. Okay, so just click on anyone. Suppose I am clicking on the for December 22, so I will click over it, and once I will assign the tasks, it will appear on the self-assigned material. You will find AFM past practice exam. You have to click over it, and you will have the option, because I have been already done during my time. That's why they are asking for the resume. And if I have not done, they have been asked to start. So okay, so if we will do that, resume, we will start. They will ask section A, section B. They will provide the instruction for the few slide, and once you have done that, just press on next, and they will ask, okay, if you are ready for the exam, press yes. If not, then press no. Okay, so press yes, and you will have the screen of similar kind like mine one. And on the left hand side, there is exhibit and requirement, and you will also have the two response option. One is the word processor and other one is spreadsheet. So if you are performing any calculation, you will choose spreadsheet, and if you are explaining something, you can choose for the word processor. Okay, so this is how the screen look like, and it's similar to the ACC real exam. Okay, so be familiar while practicing question with the screen, or you will be it will boost up your confidence. So because lots of students, what they do, they simply do the question on the Word or Excel, Microsoft Excel, and they have not been familiar with the ACCA practice platform. So in a real exam, they might find difficulty because they are not been familiar. They don't know how it works. So that's why it may take the time to understand these things in the exam. And in the exam, the time is very crucial, right? So that's why it's very important to have a familiar with this practice platform. And once you are done with all the question, just press next, and if you have done all the question, at the end the screen will be like something like this, and on the left hand side below the screen you will find the in the exam option. You need to click over that, and yes, Yes, okay. Then they will ask to exit. Again, on the left hand side below the screen, there is option of exit. And once you have been exit, the exam is done. So now you have also option to mark your exam self. So you will go over the mark tab and you will find the paper which you have recently attempted. So I have been recently attempted AFM, suppose. So I will go over there and self mark. So over self mark, you will see on the left hand side there will be answer, and on the right hand side there where you will find your response, right? So here it is. Okay, and you need to just verify the answer of the examiner and your one, and you can self mark on the below. Okay, and once you are done with this mark, you will just finish it and the marks will be appear. So after you have completed self marking, the first and foremost step is to identify your strength and weakness area over those topic. Okay, strength area is fine, you need to revision on that area, but if you find your weak area where you find difficulty, you need to focus and have a more practice on this area, okay, in this during last days. Okay, so this is the tips and tricks for the students. So I hope this is very useful. So thank you so much guys, have a good day and stay tuned with my channel for video like this. Thank you so much, have a good day.